Hey, welcome and good day. I'm here in my office in Nashville, Tennessee in the Lensman Project Gallery. Today we're going to look at some images that I did of a friend of mine, my good pal, singer, songwriter, photographer, Ronnie Dunn. I always wanted to do a shoot down on Lower Broadway with all the neon lights, but the right opportunity just never presented itself. And then one day Ronnie calls me and says, hey, look, why don't we do a few pictures for a new project that I'm working on, and we'll do that idea you have down on Lower Broadway. So the next thing was to what time to do it, because with all of the honky-tonkers here in town, Lower Broadway is always just jammed with people. Well, Ronnie's first idea was that, well, maybe the chaos will be good. My idea was the chaos is not going to be so good, and I think we should do it at a really off time. So we elected to do it between 3:30 and 4 o'clock in the morning. Ronnie and I didn't want to have a studio look to these images. He felt really strongly about the fact we had to have more of a sort of city grit look to these pictures. And I think we were able to achieve that. And one of the great things that happened just before we started shooting was the city came along and they sprayed all water on the streets, which gave us an incredible reflection. Working with Ronnie is really easy because he's so comfortable in front of the camera of all the videos he's done and all the photo shoots he's done. So
that's some badass stuff, man.
With all the images that I was shooting down on Lower Broadway, I was really concerned about noise. And when I got back and did my post-processing, I ran all the images through DxO Photolab, and it really smoothed things out, and noise was not even an issue. Hey, for all you guys out there that love to shoot pictures like I do, don't be afraid to get out there late at night, early in the morning, use neon, use the conditions that you have. You're going to be able to make some extraordinary images. After I did all the post-processing, Ronnie and I sat down and took a look at the images, and we were really pleased with all the pictures we came out with on our Lower Broadway shoot.